In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change this image from this to this. Hello viewers and welcome again, and next time your co-instructor Dr. Don, or you can call me Maxi from Learn With Your Brains and V-Breaker Studios. Okay, so today what you're going to do is a simple trick in Photoshop, and this simple trick is how to create a multicolor eye in Photoshop. It's as simple as that. Just follow ahead and you're going to be good with it. So what I want to do is to import any picture, just a portrait of you with your eyes being shown, right? So this is the model we are going to use for this tutorial. I just did some editing on it, so you could see my logo here, VBreaker Studio VB. Okay, so we just did some skin softening and skin retouching on her skin. So now what we are going to do right now is to create a multicolor eye on the eye. Now you could see the eyes are so dark, so all we need to do is to first brighten it and try to create our effect in Photoshop. So I'm going to zoom in a bit so you could see the eye. Okay, now as I show you the eye is looking so dark, so what we are going to do now is to create some curves on the eye. So let me unlock this layer, then click on this small icon right here. Now choose curves. Okay, now with this open, just select any part of this line and just drag. You could see it's getting what? Brighten. It's affecting the skin, but that's not what we want. Now what I want you to do is just close this, click on this layer. Okay, now on your keyboard, if you are using Windows, click Control I, and if you're Mac, just click on Command I on Mac and Control I on Windows. Command I, you will see this inverted. Okay, it has been inverted. The I means inversion or inverted, so it has been inverted from the white to black. Now make sure your background is set to white. Okay, now select your brush tool right here. Okay, then reduce the size. It will depend on you. Okay, and now start with painting around the eye. Okay, so now you see the dark eye is being brightened now. Just look at this, so nice. Okay, so what I want you to do again, as I told you, we are creating multicolor, so this is our first color. It's just white. White is just simple, but I want you to do something again. Just come back to the icon, right click, and now create a hue and saturation. Okay, but before you apply anything to this, make sure this is checked colorize. Okay, so click on this and now move this slider. Okay, to any color you want. I want this color, so I think it's okay. And try to bring it back here. I think it's okay. And try to increase the saturation. Wow, so nice. Now close it again. On your keyboard, Control I for Windows and Command I for Mac. So just click on that. Invert it again. Make sure the foreground is set to white. Select your brush and start painting around again on the eye. Now just look at what you're doing. Control Z to undo because it's too much. Let me zoom in a bit so you can see what you're doing and start painting. Okay, let's look at this. Oh, too much. It's okay. We do the same thing to the left eye as well. Now, when you're satisfied with this, you can create another hue and saturation again. Right click, hue and saturation. Make sure this is checked, the colorize. Now choose a different color also. So it could go for I think this is okay. Then try to increase saturation. This is nice. Close it. Command I or Control I on your keyboard again. Invert it to black. Make sure the foreground is set to white. Click on the brush and start painting again. You are just creating a multicolor eye in Photoshop. So you can use it, creating. So to change the color of any layer, you just select the layer, just double click. And now first it was blue, you see, you can just move the slider. You can change it to any color you want. Just look at this. Ooh, so that is how you create a multicolor eye in Photoshop. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Stay safe. See you soon. So when I just move on, just look at this. Oh my god. Damn. So nice and so pretty. So go ahead and try to change the color of your eye in Photoshop. You can leave your comments in the video below, and don't forget to rate this video to encourage me to bring more tutorials. So just take care of yourself and stay safe and be creative. Goodbye.